everybody, in this video we will know about computer basic parts. A computer system has many parts. All parts of the computer are connected to each other and work together. Monitor. It looks like a television. Monitor is a screen to display our work while working with the computer. It is also called VDU, Visual Display Unit. There are three types of monitor: LED monitor, LCD monitor, and CRT monitor. Nowadays we are using LED monitor. CPU. It is expanded as Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. It helps the computer to think and do the work. Keyboard. The keyboard has different buttons on it like a typewriter. There are many keys to type letters, numbers, words, and symbols. We can give the input to the computer through the keyboard. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. It helps us to point and select the things on the monitor and control the cursor on the screen. It contains two buttons and a scroll wheel button. Scroll wheel helps us to move the page up and down. Speakers. Speakers help us listen to the music, movie dialogues, video game sounds and songs. A printer is used for printing information on a paper. These printed papers are called printouts.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.